Hi my friends. In this video I'm showing how to remove password in Windows 10 or how to disable Windows 10 lock screen. Okay. Right-click on Start and then tap on Settings. Here tap on Accounts. Tap on Sign In Options. From this page tap on Password. Then tap on Change. OK. Here enter the current password that you have been using and then click on Next. In this page just click Enter, as in leave everything empty. And then tap on Next. Tap on Finse. OK. Now let me lock the screen and see or the password is still there. Here you can see when I tap on Sign In there are no password. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and give a like.